Hello mga hunters! Welcome back to our channel. I'm Kath, ang safe space nyo para sa mga legit at updated work from home opportunities. Kung naghahanap ka ng remote job na flexible at may competitive pay, tapusin ang video ito dahil baka ito na ang sign na naghihintay sa iyo. Welcome back to our channel na kung saan mag-hunting tayo at magbibigay ako ng mga ideya where to find side hustle, home-based jobs, ESL jobs, tips, tools at lahat-lahat na nalalaman ko based on my experience as a VA. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated. Now, let's talk about OXO Assist. They are looking for virtual assistants. Kung may experience ka at total newbie, merong opportunities na para sa inyo. Let's start with, kung wala kang experience, don't worry mga hunter kasi si OXO Assist ay nagpro-provide ng self-paced training para matuto ka at makapasok sa VA world kahit beginner ka pa lang. Yes, you heard it right. It's free, walang bayad at walang catch.
Ano ang ginagawa ng isang virtual assistant? Baka iniisip mo, okay, being a virtual assistant sounds good, pero ano ba talaga ang ginagawa ng isang virtual assistant? So here are some common VA tasks: email management, cleaning inboxes, responding to clients, calendar scheduling, booking appointments or meetings, data entry, updating spreadsheets or databases, customer support, answering messages via chat or email, social media support, scheduling posts, replying to comments or content creation, and internet research, finding leads or information. So most of the time, these are the basic tasks na pwedeng matutunan through free online resources or sa mismong training ng OXO Assist. Paano mo malalaman kung bagay sa iyo maging isang virtual assistant? Mahilig ka ba sa pag-organize ng system? Marunong ka bang mag-manage ng time? Comfortable ka ba sa basic tech like Gmail, Google Docs? Marunong ka bang makipag-communicate kahit chat or email lang? Gusto mo ba ng trabaho pero ayaw ng traffic at commute? If at least 3 out of 5 sa mga yan ay yes, bagay sa iyo ang maging VA. Now, bakit OXO Assist ang highly recommended VA agency? Here's what they offer. You can earn up to $700 per month, 100% work from home setup, meron din silang full-time at part-time roles, meron silang free self-paced training, at may career growth opportunities pa. So, ang dami mong pwedeng matutunan while earning, and that's a win-win. So, before you send your application, here are some tips para mapansin agad ang application mo. You should update your resume. Make it clean and simple. I-highlight ang mga communication skills, admin skills, and computer literacy. Second, create an optional intro video. Say your name, experience, and why you want to be a VA. Kahit 1 minute lang, it's a big plus na if kailangan yan sa company or ni OXO Assist. If wala din, it's okay. Familiarize yourself with basic tools like Google Docs, Zoom, Canva, Trello, or Notion, or Meta Business Suite. Next is prepare your mindset. Work from home doesn't mean chill at all the time. You need to be disciplined and reliable. And join Facebook groups or VA communities kasi you will learn a lot from others and even find gigs.
So, if you are an experienced VA, so dito po kayo mag-a-apply sa kanilang form. Ilalagay ko din ang link sa description box below at saka sa pinned comment. So, you need your full name, contract number, email, address, your latest educational attainment, your resume, So, follow my tips para maging maganda ang resume ninyo. And then, meron din silang format. So, you should follow this one para makikita nila na you can follow instruction. And then, are you able to commit to full-time? How many years? And then, yung mga experience ninyo. US-based client. Tapos, list of any softwares or tools. Like example, ClickUp, Trello, Asana, Google Docs, Gmail, ganyan. Yan yung mga tools, mga softwares. Apollo. So, mag-search kayo. But if you are inexperienced, you know this one already. List the common tasks na you performed already. Tapos, ano yung experience ninyo, niche ninyo, social media marketing ba, or others. Tapos, your portfolio, and then your cover letter. So, yun yung first phase ng kanilang application form. And then, click nyo lang yung next. Okay? Now, for those na beginners at wala pang experience, so, ito naman yung para sa inyo. So, same personal information, your resume. So, yung preferred working schedule niyo, part-time ba or full-time? I suggest if you are still a beginner, then mag-start kayo ng part-time para makapag-adjust pa kayo. And then, this one, so click nyo lang yung without experience. Tapos, portfolio, it's an optional. Kasi nga, beginner nga kayo, and cover letter. Pero dito, make sure na kahit beginner pa kayo, meron pa rin kayong cover letter to highlight your skills. Okay, and then click nyo lang yung next. So, that's it. So, you can also check their Facebook page kasi nandito yung mga information about the company and then about the website. Meron din silang mga nakapost dito ng mga information. So, you can also scan automatically their application form na meron silang QR code. So, ganun lang kadali mag-apply dito sa OXO Assist. So, after that, if maganda yung nakikita nila sa application form ninyo, then they will call you for an initial interview.
So that's it mga Hunter. If you're ready to build your career from home and take control of your time, VA Life might be your next big move. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga next hiring tips natin, sa mga hiring at sa mga ating mga next process. Also, don't forget to like or follow our Facebook page at saka TikTok account. Thank you for always watching and happy hunting!